Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be unboxing this bad boy. I got it Sam's. To start off with, I am not an expert on Pokemon. First time I've ever purchased any type of trading cards with Pokemon. So forgive me if I sound a little bit of a novice, but this is the very first time I've ever done this. I saw it at Sam's. I liked the way it looked, so I picked it up. And now I'm going to be doing an unboxing. And the reason I want to make this video is to show you guys what I end up pulling out of here, and then you guys tell me if I did good, if I did bad, if I was pronouncing the names wrong. This is your chance to school somebody on anything and everything Pokemon. So this is what comes in the pack. I don't know what these are. You guys can tell me what these are. There's 4 of these. Got something that looks like this. We got one of these jumbo Lucario V trading cards. One of these, 2 Lucario and 2 of the other guy. I really don't know how to pronounce his name. 4 packs of this, the Brilliant Star. 4 packs of this Astral Radiance. 4 packs of the Fusion Strike. And 2 packs of these. I'm assuming these are, I don't know, would these be the ones that would be more sought after? Because there's only 2 of these. So I'm gonna open each one, and you guys let me know in the comments if it did good. If I didn't get, okay, so this is $40 the pack, so you let me know. So here's the first one. I did end up looking at some of the videos before this to try to do a little bit of research, and I always notice that they always count 2, 3, and 4. They put them up here. I don't know why, but I'll do that as well. So this is pack 1. Got energy. Got this one, that guy, Shroomish, I can say that. Turtwig. Okay. And every time I did this, or every time I saw these anywhere else, the last 2 were like the better ones. All right, there's your first one. You tell me if that's good. And there's the second one. Going on to pack number 2. And I'm just gonna put these back in the packs because I really don't know what I have or what I don't have. So if you guys leave a comment down below and let me know, hey, you might want to put one of those in a sleeve or something, let me know. I would appreciate it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Got another energy. I mean, you guys can see them. Slow it down if you need to. We got another one of these Turtwig. And these are the last 2. I don't know what that is. I have no idea what that is. You can get one of these. I don't know what this is for. If you guys want to let me know, please let me know. 1, 2. Whoa, that looks funny. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Why is that one black? Blunder policy. All right, so what is this, guys? First one what is this V-Star? I have no idea. Let me know on the comments, please. Electrobuzz. Okay. This guy. Have no idea. And this. I have no idea. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, and 4. Flip it around. Energy. Double turbo. This guy has a little bit of a hologram on it. This one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Togepi? I don't know. Okay. I don't know what that is. Well, this one looks nice. Let me know if I got anything here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3. Hippopotamus. These are the last two. It has a little bit. And one of these. Got another one of these. Maybe they're not as uncommon. Another V-Star. Got two of them. Temple of Some nice looking card. Oh, look, Eevee. I know this one. This might be worth something, maybe. I don't know. Whoa, what is this? Anybody let me know what this is. Looks important. And then let me know what I do with these, because I don't even know what these are. All right, here we go. Switch cart. Cricket tot. Psyduck. Stantler. Okay, these were the last two. And this one, I have no idea. All right. This is a Fusion Strike. 2, 3, and 4. And Fusion Energy. Onyx. Jigglypuff. This one looks familiar. These are the last two. Let me know about these two, what you guys think. 3 and 4. Power tablet. What is that? Skaters Park. Alright, getting down to our last two. This is, I have no idea. Well, there's another one of these nice looking ones. Okay. Vulpix. Oh, these are the last. Oh no, these are the last two. Ooh. This is like full foil or full holograph or whatever you want to call those. All right. And the last one of this pack. Ninetales, okay. Quick Ball. Muna. Metapod. And then this guy. Alright, so that does it for those right there. And I guess these are the final two. I don't know if I did if I put them in the right order or not, but these are my final two. Alright, here we go. Copycat. Crustal. C-Dot. Eevee, another Eevee. I guess they're not that rare. And then we have this one who's kind of holographic. This guy. All right. And finally, the last one. Two, 3, and 4. I have no idea what these are. Buffet or buffet. Buffet. Swab blue. All right, we got one of these and then this one. All right, guys. Well, thank you for watching. Got a lot of extra cards over here. Probably go through them once again. But I'm gonna leave it up to you guys to let me know what I have or what I don't have. Remember these? I guess I'm gonna put this one here. This one here, this one here, and this one here. Okay, then you have this big one here, the jumbo one. And you have these right here. That. And you have all these right here. This is another thing I'm curious about. Let me know what these do, or what am I supposed to do with these. But once again, thank you for watching. And let me know. I'm curious.